Have you been trying to get into Warrior One from standing? Well, Yogi Richard is here to demonstrate today. Let's get to it.
Cool.
Start standing facing the short end of your mat and check that your feet are inner hip width apart, the toes point forward, and then bring your hands to the hips. Root down through the feet, lengthen up through the spine, up through the top of the head with an inhale. Keep that with the spine, exhale. Good, now inhale again. And as you exhale, step the left leg back, and the back heel needs to touch down to the floor. We're looking for heel to heel alignment with the feet. If you need a little more stability, your left foot can go to the left a few inches and keep an angle on the back foot. So this is going to help to keep the hips squared forward. Good. And then straighten the front leg for a moment without locking the knee, and then re-bend the front knee. This helps to kind of reset the leg. You want to check that the front knee stays right over the front ankle, the toes are relaxed. And we have the four corners of each foot glued to the floor. If you're not familiar with the four corners, we have the big toe mound, the little toe mound, and the back two corners of the heels. They're touching down and the toes are relaxed. Now, if you feel stable here, then the hands can come to heart center. All right, so we want to feel the muscles hugging into the bone and then the rooting down through the four corners of both feet. The breath is easy here. And then maybe the arms go up towards the sky. Keeping broad across the collarbones, the shoulders. And if you want to open up the shoulders a little bit more, working with that broadness, you can take a slight external rotation of the arms. So the pinkies roll in towards each other just a little bit. The palms face back towards the back of the room or behind you. And then the hands will come together to heart center and to the hips. And with an inhale, you'll step forward to where you started and exhale there. Thanks. Namaste.